by popular demand, another video of the GE Profile all-in-one unit. So I have the thing has got probably 10 towels. I stopped counting, but it's all the towels I have in my linen closet. And I'm gonna run them on the towel cycle, and I am going to enable the more water option. So I'm gonna start it up, let it weigh the towels, and also begin the wash, and then I'll come back a bit later as it's finishing up and see how dry the towels are and show that. Here we go. Let me turn the light on in the drum. Sorry that you can see the reflection of me holding my phone in the little chrome strip there, but I can't be bothered. So the more water option is not normally one I would use unless I was putting something in that was pretty heavily stained. But a subscriber or watcher had asked to see, I'm trying to kill two birds with one stone. Doing a lot of towels to see if they come out dry, but also showing what the more water option does with a load of towels. So again, you'll see that the time is about to change. I'm not sure if it'll go up or down with a big load of towels. So, I think 209 is probably the default, and that must be the worst case because it did not go down any after it sensed the load. That's an estimated 2 hours and 9 minutes to wash, rinse, extra rinse, and dry a full load of towels. Probably have to turn the drum light back on again here in just a minute. So that's probably about where, without the extra water setting, the thing would fill to, because the towels are all quite damp now. But it's going to continue to add water. Let me turn the light back on. You can probably notice that it's automatically injecting the detergent with the water. It looks a little bubbly coming out there. That's because it's pulling it in from the dispenser. So that's it as far as the water it's going to add. It'll do the same 3 gallons extra when it rinses. I was thinking I could pause it and open the door and let you see the level of water, but that would not be a very smart move right now. So these towels are going to get clean, they're going to get rinsed, and I will check back in probably in 2 hours, just so we can see them finishing up the dry cycle, and I'll pull them out and make sure that they're dry. This is the biggest load of towels I've done. I'm usually just throwing a couple of towels in with some other whites because there are only 2 people that live here. But we'll check back in soon. I'm just checking in. It's about to begin the spin cycle, it looks like. So let you see what that looks like. It may take it a bit to get to full speed with a large load of wet towels. So you can hear the heat pumps firing up. You hear the humming? That's because as it's on the spin, it's going to be circulating warm, dry air during the spin cycle. high spin cycle. It does have even one more speed up, extra high. What I have found, I'm not sure if you can even hear me, so I'm going to step away for just a second. What I found is that on the extra high spin cycle, the clothes get so plastered to the outside of the drum that they don't come loose in the dry cycle, and they wind up little dry pancake towels. That extra high spin cycle is not necessary in my experience. So this is as loud as the machine gets. It's on a high spin full of towels. But still, if I come out of the laundry room and close the door, pretty quiet, right? For a washer full of towels. So the drying cycle has started now. We will check back in about 45 minutes and see how dry the towels are. You can see they're already pretty dry. It'll stop here in a second and reverse, and you'll be able to see how hard the air is moving, I think. Okay, so moment of truth. The load is finished, and I don't know if it's impossible to tell on camera, but these towels are dry enough to fold and put in the laundry closet. Dry and fluffy and clean, and a little ratty, a few of them, but the unit did a fantastic job of washing and drying them. They're every bit as dry as if they had come out of a traditional clothes dryer. Thank you for watching.